Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in today's video, I'm going to show you an updated look at what's in my planner tote. I posted a picture of this on Instagram a few days ago, and then I got a couple of questions of people asking me, can they see what is inside my planner tote? Now, I did do a video on this quite a while ago, so I thought now is the perfect time to do an updated look, and I can show you exactly what I've got going on inside. Now this is actually it is a craft tote. I bought it at Walmart probably, I want to say at least a year ago, maybe longer than that. If I remember correctly, I think the brand is called Everything Mary, and it's just a it's like a fabric tote, and it's got like little sectioned off compartments inside the tote. And I think these are made for like sewing and crafters, but they work great for planners and planning supplies. Now, I had one question on my Instagram page, someone asking, do I carry this with me like when I leave the house every day? And no, I don't. I just use this when I'm at home, when I am moving myself from room to room, and I don't want to, like carry each thing individually. This helps me to keep everything organized where I can find it, and then it helps me like if I'm going to the dining room, my bedroom, wherever. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, I've got quite a bit in here, and I'll go through each section and each compartment with you so you can take an up close look. And then it's also got some pockets along the outside, which I don't keep a whole lot of stuff in there because I found that when I did put stuff in here, I ended up forgetting that I had stuff in there, and then I ended up not using it. So let's start with this front section here. I have my everyday carry traveler's notebook. Now when I am not working, I keep this in here like if I'm at home over the weekend, but usually during the week I have this with me in my work bag, so it's not always in here. But when it is with me, or when I am at home, I do keep it in here. So that's what's in that first section. On this side, I have my pen case, and I need to do an updated what's in my pen case, and I will be doing that probably within the next couple videos or so. But this has got all my pens in it. It's got quite a few pens, and yeah, that's what's in this side here. The other thing I have in there is my clear planner. This is the personal size. I picked this up off of Amazon, and I keep it in this side here. Now I haven't still quite figured out what I'm going to be using this for, but I have a couple of ideas, so I like to keep it near in case, inspiration strikes. Now in this middle part, you've got one big section here, and in this section I've got my clear A5 holographic planner, and I did show this in a video, and this I'm still working on the setup as well. It's not completely set up, but when I do get it set up, I will show you guys how I'm using it. But I do use it for a little bit of planning, so that stays in this middle part. Next, I have my journaling traveler's notebook, and this is a Mystics Little Gifts A5 traveler's notebook, and I use this quite a bit for note-taking, journaling, pre-planning, random thoughts, that kind of thing. I really do love it. It's a great traveler's notebook, and I love using the A5 size, so that's what I keep in this middle section. So you can see as I empty this how this has got the little compartments and stuff here. On this side, in this pocket, I have what was my everyday carry for a little while. I'm just kind of using this to hold inserts, and I wasn't sure if I was going to repurpose this traveler's notebook for something different or just kind of keep it in here. I was kind of undecided, so I just threw it in here because it fit really, really well. And then in this last section here, I've got my pens that I really like. These are my mild liner pens, in this little pouch I also picked up from Walmart. And then I've got my Sharpies here that I've been using for a couple of projects, and so I wanted to keep those handy and organized, so I put them in another little pouch. Again, these are from Walmart. And this is what the inside of the bag looks like. And then on this front pocket here, I've got my Staedtler Neon fine liner pens. I don't use them very often, but sometimes for a coloring project I may use them. And then in this pocket here, I've just got my white, what are they called? Uniball Signo broad point pens. And then I don't keep anything in these pockets. I don't think I have, no, I don't have anything in there. On the side pocket, this one's empty. Here I've got a couple of rolls of this repositionable tape, which I don't even use, but it's like I bought it, so I just kind of stick it in there. In this zipper pouch, I have a whiteout and a correction pen. And then I don't think I have anything. Oh, I do have something in there. Oh, another correction tape. And then in these pockets here, these are empty. So, and that's it. So that's what I've got in my planner tote. Now if I can remember how I put all of this in here. But I really do like it. It's very, very handy. It works perfect for, you know, for my needs. It fits everything. I've been debating about whether or not I want to get another one because they are so convenient and easy to, you know, tote your stuff around. I don't remember where I had this. I think it was there. Was this? Oh, this was, I think I had that like that. Oops. Sorry about that. And there you go. So, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I hope you enjoy taking a look at my updated planner tote. And yeah, if you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so because I do have a lot more videos to come. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch. We'll definitely see you in the next video. Bye.